there guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Shay, and this is me on November week 1 edition of our vlog. And kung mapapansin niyo guys, medyo kakaiba yung boses ko ngayon. But for today, let me share with you paano nga ba magsisimula to do low carb again if nadapa or if magpapatuloy ka pa rin kay low carb. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So make sure to keep on watching. Sobrang daming pagod last time guys. Kung mapapansin niyo sa aking boses ay number 1, kagigising ko lang din kasi. But number 2, on the past 2 or 3 days ay medyo parang feeling ko ay magkakasakit ako ng bonggang-bongga kasi I feel na parang medyo may sipon effect tayo ngayon. Kaya hindi na muna ako nag-black coffee today, and the mga previous days I had water para mag-hydrate muna tayo. So, but today, I really need to do this vlog to share with you para sa mga tao na gustong magsimula in doing low carb, gustong magpatuloy sa mga nadapa. Ano ba yung pwedeng gawin? Ano yung mga tips? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin. So, recently guys, November, this month is really a very good month for me, and I'm very excited. Syempre, October pa lang because this month is a month of my little bossing or my kid. So, recently, we had a surprise for him on his 9th birthday, and super exciting kasi nga, surprise. And super na-surprise talaga siya kasama ng friends, kasama ni mother ko, and syempre, ng ating mga kamamshi, and ng kanyang pinsan. So, super exciting talaga ng araw na yan. But, on that celebration, syempre, question, paano tayo maglo-low carb if we're doing that celebration outside. So, it's something na gusto kong i-share sa inyo today. Pero bago natin pag-usapan kung paano natin gagawin si low carb this November month, guys, let me just do a quick freshen up. For me to feel more better guys, nag-quick warm bath na muna ako and nagsusuklay na ako ng aking hair para mas fresh. Naglagay ako ng lip and cheek na premium gel ni SJ Beauty natin and si Magic Gloss. Pwede rin sa lips and pwede sa cheeks, and napaka long lasting and organic din kasi to guys. So, super the best, mukha na tayong fresh. So, let's go. Hi guys! So, I think we are now super freshen up and super ready. So, pag-usapan na natin, paano nga ba natin sisimulan, paano magbabalik kay low carb this November month 2023, bago pa lang tayo pumunta sa December 2023, which is the final month of the year. November month for me guys is super challenging from the Undas days and then from the birthdays na pinuntahan natin recently, and paano natin gagawin si low carb this November. Tip number 1. For our tip number 1 guys is syempre we have to have a clear reason bakit ba natin ginagawa talaga si low carb. And for me guys, just to share with you, I wanted to really spend more years with my family, especially with my mom, with my partner, and of course, with my son. So, bakit mo ba gusto na mag-switch ng lifestyle mo? Bakit gusto mong maging healthy? For me, it's because ang pinakamalalim na dahilan ko ay I wanted to spend more time, more celebration with my kid. In anything that we do guys, if lifestyle man yan, if business man yan, if personal things man yan, you really have to know ng malinaw kung bakit mo siya gustong gawin, kung bakit mo siya gustong simulan, para mas mapush ka na gawin kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin, kung bakit mo siya exactly dapat nasisimulan. So, question, bakit mo gusto muna na gawin si low carb or fasting lifestyle? Para makapag-proceed tayo sa next step. For our tip number 2, guys, paano simulan si low carb this November month? Tip number 2, napaka-importante na aralin natin yung mga basic information about kay low carb muna. So, we have to know kung ano ba yung mga dapat nating kainin, ano yung mga dapat nating iwasan para masimulan natin yung pagbabago na gusto nating gawin. So, recently, we had a celebration outside, syempre. Doon sa park, we had a party. Syempre, may mga pagkain. And syempre, yung mga taong kasama mo doon sa labas ay hindi naman all of them doing low carb, practicing low carb. Some of my momshies tried or doing low carb, pero again, hindi naman kasi lahat ng tao na kasama mo in a celebration is doing the lifestyle that you do. So, challenge, paano tayo maglo-low carb outside, you have to know the basics. So, kaya importante na alam natin yung mga dapat nating i-focus. And sharing with you today, paano nga ba ako naglo-low carb outside is, I have to make sure I focus on first, if there's an available egg, if there's an available meat, if there's an available green leafy vegetables or vegetables na available doon sa menu, then it's something na ilalagay ko doon sa aking plato. Okay? So, if you are a beginner kay low carb, especially if you are doing low carb dahil gusto mong i-reverse yung health issue na meron ka, then we have to find ways na paano natin siya gagawin. For example, syempre, kung kailangan talaga nating maging strict, since you are on a low carb way of eating at may health issue ka pa, pwede naman na number 1 is magdala ka na lang ng food mo papunta doon sa celebration, or number 2, pwede ka naman ng mag-meal na before the celebration para at least busog ka na before going to celebration at hindi ka na matempt doon sa mga nakahain na pagkain, especially hindi naman natin masasabing 100% na low carb yung mga nandun, since hindi lahat ng mga nagse-celebrate doon ay naglo-low carb lifestyle din. So, yun yung mga dapat nating gawin. And for me, I focus on that day, guys, sa chicken and actually most of the chicken. Tapos meron kaming pork liempo, I believe, na nasalo sa menu. Tapos meron tayong seafoods na naihalo. Thank you so much sa aking kamamshi na nagdala ng pa-seafood na yan. And it's something na we had really super na-enjoy talaga namin. And wag na natin stressin yung paggawa natin kay low carb, guys. If there's really no way for you to do clean low carb or strict low carb on that day, then pwede naman tayong bumawi on our next meal. So yes, next meal agad-agad, bawi na din tayo. Connected to tip number 2, guys, knowing what to eat and what to avoid. I'm actually busy this week, just to share, doing our first ebook with SJ, na kung saan ay malalaman ninyo kung ano yung mga basic na dapat nating iwasan kay low carb, ano yung mga best tips na pwede nating gawin kay low carb, ano yung mga food na dapat ninyong i-focus kay low carb, especially if you wanted to really reverse katulad ng may mga PCOS, health issue na gustong matulungan ng low carb lifestyle na to. So, it's coming out soon, guys. Abangan ninyo sa ating Facebook page, on Shea Jella Facebook page, guys. So, ilagay ko na lang yung link natin below or flash ko dito sa ating screen para makita ninyo yung ating Facebook page for you to follow. Lahat ng makaka-avail ng ating first ebook will enjoy a very good discount, and this is for me doing my best to create yung ebook na yan para makapagsimula na kayo na maging properly guided dito kay low carb way of eating. Tip number 3, guys, paano ba simulan si low carb on this November days is make sure to eat when you're hungry and stop when you are full. So, pagdating sa ating low carb lifestyle, guys, low carb way of eating or low carb diet, kahit anumang tawag din nyo dyan, ay hindi po tayo nagpapagutom. So, make sure that if you're doing low carb is kain lang kapag gutom and stop na kapag busog ka na. So, doing low carb for 4 years, guys, is made me realize na kaya ko pa nang pakinggan yung katawan ko kung kailan ako nagugutom ng totoo at kailan na talaga ako busog. So, malalaman ko kung kailan talaga ako mag-stop and kailan ako kakain kasi yung mga food na pinipili natin kay low carb is makakatulong talaga sa atin para mas ma-feel natin na busog na tayo, so stop na. Gutom na ako. So, yes, we have to do the eating time na. So, make sure na kapag ginagawa natin si low carb, guys, basta low carb meal yan na ating ihahain sa ating plato, is make sure na kumain kapag gutom and stop na tayo kapag busog na. Paano nga ba simulan si low carb this November days, guys? Another tip ulit tayo. And next tip is make sure to add salt or make sure na huwag kakalimutan ang ating electrolytes. So, basic na aking sinimulan to do low carb, guys, is talagang si salt. So, yung salt na rock salt sa palengke, dyan ako nagsimula. And kung pag nagkaroon na tayo ng budget, pwede na yung ating healthy na pink salt or Himalayan salt. Bakit importante si electrolytes, guys? So, para sa mga beginner na gumagawa kay low carb na mostly sobrang daming nararamdaman, headache, pain sa tiyan, pain sa kung saan-saan, mostly common lang na issue ay dahil hindi po tayo nag-e-electrolytes or hindi natin binabalik yung mga important minerals na sumasama palabas sa katawan natin, which is number 1 ay si sodium or yung salt. So, make sure na ina-add natin yon sa ating meals, sa ating drinks. Yes, mostly for my 4 years of journey kay low carb, guys, na-enjoy ko siyang i-add sa aking meals and sa aking water. May mga tao na gumagawa na ina-add nila sa kanilang coffee. So, okay lang. Depende sa inyo kung saan kayo mag-e-enjoy. Pero, I just want you to realize, guys, that electrolytes ay napaka-importante para sa atin. Kasi, whenever we lose weight, sumasama yung mga importanteng nutrients or minerals sa katawan natin, and kapag nangyari yon, doon nagsisimula yung keto flu na sinasabi, yung mga masasamang pakiramdam. So, napaka-importante na ibabalik natin yon. So, wag matakot sa salt dahil sodium ay isa sa pinaka-importante na minerals na ating katawan na kailangan natin if we are losing weight, if we are doing our low carb lifestyle. If nakapag clear reason ka na kung bakit mo ginagawa si low carb, inaaral mo na si low carb, nag-eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full ka na, and nag-electrolytes ka na, then unti-unti makakarating ka dito sa tip na ito, which is to do intermittent fasting when you are ready. So, do intermittent fasting when you are ready is super napaka-basic na tip for me guys, dahil hindi mo kailangan na gawing agad-agad si intermittent fasting because we have to focus more on ano yung mga nilalagay natin sa ating plato. So, we have to focus on what to eat on our low-carb way. So, kapag nagawa mo na yung first to mga sumunod na mga steps na yan, bago dito kay intermittent fasting, madali mo na lang na magagawa si intermittent fasting. Pero ano ba yung basic na intermittent fasting natin, guys? If you are a beginner kay low carb, you can do 12 to 14 hours fasting. Fasting meaning hindi tayo kakain. And then, after that, you can do your feasting time, your eating time sa mga next na hours in a day. So, fasting is a way for us to heal. Napaka-perfect niyang i-partner sa nutrient-dense na paglo-low carb tapos magpa-fasting ka because that is the best way for us to do a healing or reversing process ng ating mga health issues. So, it's not a type of diet, but it's a pattern for us to know kung kailan tayo kakain and kailan tayo mag-stop kumain. But again, for you as a beginner, I want you to focus more doon sa ating nilalagay muna sa ating mga plato. Ano yung mga low carb meal na dapat nating ilagay sa ating mga plato. Dahil after nun, kung talagang ginagawa natin ng tama si low carb is magiging automatic at magiging easy na yung paggawa natin kay fasting. Last tip and pinaka-importanting tip guys is to be consistent. Sobrang favorite ko tong gawin or sabihin na tip guys. Be consistent. Sa una kapag narinig mo, sobrang hirap naman. Kailangan kong magpatuloy na gawin to kasi nga be consistent. Yes, kailangan mong pagpatuloy na gawin si low carb na dapa ka man or nahihirapan ka man sa paggawa. Dahil again, if you are clear with your reason bakit mo ginagawa to, then gagawin mo siya talaga. Be consistent doesn't mean for you to be perfect. May mga times doing low carb is madadapa ka, mahihirapan kang gawin, pero you really have to make sure na patuloy mo pa din siyang gagawin and agad-agad ka ding bumangon. So, may mga tao na nadapa na, pero hinayaan pa rin na madapa sila ng madapa. And mostly, yung mga taong yon na nangyayari yon is malamang ay walang masyadong malinaw na reason kung bakit nila ginagawa si low carb or hindi ganon ka-strong yung reason nila kung bakit nila ginagawa si low carb. So, low carb guys is not just a weight loss program na kapag natapos ninyo, kapag pumayat na kayo, then go. Low carb way of eating, guys, is about a lifestyle. It's about the change of lifestyle. So, it's for you to do it a lifetime dahil nga, again, ano yung reason mo, bakit mo ginagawa to. So, be consistent because kung hindi natin patuloy na gagawin, guys, papaano natin marireach yung goal na gusto nating magawa into our weight loss man yan, into our health goals man yan. Especially for health goals, gusto mo ba na hindi ka na lang talaga makaalis doon sa health issue na meron ka, then it's up to you. So, be consistent. Focus tayo doon, guys, sa mga positive na nagagawa natin araw-araw while we're doing low carb. Focus tayo doon sa magagandang nagagawa na natin versus doon sa mga hindi pa natin nagagawa. And mag-focus tayo doon sa maliliit na achievements na, for example, nagkakasya na yung mga damit ninyo ng paunti-unti. And wag na tayo mag-focus doon sa number ng nakikita natin sa ating timbangan kasi water weight lang naman yon. So, yun yung mga ilang paraan kung papaano tayo magiging consistent. It's about changing your mindset. It's about focusing more on positivity, focusing more on ano yung maliliit na wins ninyo, celebrating it more. And magugulat na lang kayo na oy, nakapag-consistent na ako, 'di ba? Nagagawa ko na siya. Hindi man perfect, pero wow, napagpapatuloy ko siya, and after nun, magugulat na lang kayo sa result na meron kayo. So, those are the basic tips, guys, na po pwede mong gamitin, pwede mong gawin when it comes to low-carb lifestyle na gusto mong simulan. And I hope na nakatulong sa inyo ito. If you do, please make sure to click on like, make sure to comment down below, and make sure to subscribe for more weekly videos up next. And dahil before December month na nga, malapit na ang December month natin, guys. And yes, now is a November month. And if you are willing to do a challenge with me, SJ, this November month, bago man lang mag-December days, guys, ay let me know. Ilalagay ko yung link for our 15 days challenge na gagawin para maka-join na kayo and makatulong na rin para magsimula sa inyong journey this November. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to always keep going. Bye! Thank you.